Step into the gratitude vortex where we release what weighs you down, restores your calm, and strengthens your trust in your path. Welcome to a gentle practice of letting go and renewing your spirit with gratitude. Let's begin. I let go of what I no longer need. I release tension with every exhale. I am safe to soften and unwind. I restore my calm with each breath. I trust my timing and my path. I greet this moment with gratitude. I choose ease over urgency. I allow clarity to replace doubt. I am supported by quiet strength. I welcome peace into my body and mind. I let yesterday rest. I return to center with gentle awareness. I restore my energy in nourishing ways. I trust myself to make good choices. I am grounded, steady, and composed. I release what I cannot control. I make room for what lifts me. I honor my needs without apology. I breathe in ease and breathe out worry. I am worthy of rest and renewal. I let go of overthinking. I restore balance with mindful pauses. I trust the wisdom within me. I keep my heart open and my mind clear. I act from calm confidence. I let go of perfection and welcome progress. I restore my focus by simplifying. I trust that the next right step will appear. I am present and peaceful right now. I choose thoughts that soothe and strengthen. I release comparison and embrace my path. I restore harmony in my relationships with kindness. I trust my intuition to guide me. I let gratitude lead my perspective. I welcome gentle momentum. Take a slow, steady breath and notice what you can set down right now. Which affirmation is helping you let go, restore your calm, and trust your path? Share one you're choosing today. We'd love to hear what resonated for you. I release fear and return to faith. I restore my spirit with stillness. I trust that I am exactly where I need to be. I allow joy to move through me. I let go of resistance and invite flow. I restore my body with compassionate care. I trust my capacity to handle what arises. I am anchored in peace. I release old stories that limit me. I restore hope with every mindful breath. I trust the process of my growth. I speak to myself with warmth and respect. I let go of urgency and choose presence. I restore clarity by listening within. I trust that help and insight are available. I am calm, capable, and steady. I release the need to rush outcomes. I restore my boundaries with love. I trust the unfolding of this day. I celebrate small steps forward. I let go of tension in my shoulders and jaw. I restore my attention to what matters. I trust my voice and my values. I am guided by quiet confidence. I release distractions and welcome focus. I restore peace in every breath. I trust that clarity grows in silence. I choose compassion for myself and others. I let go of self-doubt and remember my strength. I restore my optimism gently and steadily. I trust that new possibilities are forming. I am grateful for how far I have come. I allow calm to shape my responses. I release pressure and invite grace. I restore connection to my heart's truth. I trust this moment and I begin again in gratitude. Thank you for joining us here in the Gratitude Vortex. We hope these affirmations have inspired you to embrace gratitude, positivity, and abundance into your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Your journey to happiness and prosperity starts with small moments of thankfulness. So, keep the momentum going. Let's continue to grow and thrive in gratitude. Until next time, stay positive, stay grateful, and step boldly into the vortex of abundance, one thought at a time.